Elephant and Rabbit in the Forest. Deep within a forest, there lives an elephant and a rabbit. Let's follow them on an adventure while learning about opposite words. The big elephant was walking alone in the middle of the forest. The big elephant bumped into a small rabbit. Big is the opposite of small. Then, the rabbit joined the elephant and went to the river. There, they came across a tall giraffe and a short crocodile. Tall is the opposite of short. After greeting them, the elephant and the rabbit left the river. On their way, they saw two apple trees. One has many fruits and the other has few. Many is the opposite of few. Suddenly, they encountered a bird flying above the apple tree, while a cat ran and stopped under the apple tree. Above is the opposite of under. The elephant and the rabbit heard rumbling noises from their stomachs. With its long trunk, the elephant picked some apples and shared them with the rabbit. And together they both happily munched the apples.